Hey, relax. Where you? You're stuck in my bed. Come here, Tawny. Come here, baby. Oh, look at how beautiful you are. What are you? Tawny, come here, baby. Oh, you want to get down? What? You want to get down off my bed? Hey, come here. Little girl. Cutie. What's up? What's the matter, little mama? What's the matter? What's the matter? You scared? Hey. Okay, come on. Okay, let's do it. Oh my goodness. Where are you going? You want to go outside? Hey. Come here, baby. Look at that. She is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You want to go outside? Huh? You want to go outside? Oh. Oh. Look at you. You want to go outside? Let's go. Okay, okay, let's go. Come on. Go. Where you going? Where you going? Tawny, come here. Tawny, come here. Oh, no. What are you eating? Come here. No. No, let it go. Come here.